Hello everybody, Jack, Guitars for Vets volunteer. A couple of weeks ago I came out with a strumming exercise. This would be strumming exercise page 2. It's a little bit more complicated, and so the top one is in 4/4. So as you know, that's just 4 beats to the measure and the quarter note gets the beat. So if we started out nice and slow, just G, you're going to count it down. 1, down strum, up strum, let it rest, down strum, up strum. So it's a little confusing. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 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 So now let's add another chord. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 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 Okay, the middle row is in 3/4 time. So it's 3 notes to the measure and the quarter note gets the beat. So it's going to be downstroke, downstroke, down, up, down. So if you want to think about it, just say the word, break up the word triplet as triplet. So it's going to go 1, 2, triplet. Now, if you add another chord to it, it'll be 1, 2, triplet, 1, 2, triplet, 1, 2, triplet, 1, 2, triplet. Okay. Now, the next one is in 4/4. The first 2 strums are straight ahead. 1 strum on the 1, 1 strum on the 2. But now you got a triplet that's spread across 2 beats. So it's 3 over 2. And I try to do it to put it into colored boxes so you can get the idea of what I'm talking about. So the upper 2 boxes, that light blue and the green color, like an olive greenish color, that's showing you as if it was 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but the lower set of boxes where you have the olive color, the blue color, and that pinkish kind of color, it's showing you the feel of 3 strums over the 2. In this case it's under the 2, but you get what I mean. Okay, so it's usually a little bit harder to play it slow, believe it or not. So I'm going to try doing it slow, and it's much easier for me to do sped up. Okay, so let's do it with 1 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's add another chord. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to speed it up. One more time.